Hello, I'm Pam Cole. Come on into my office, please. Have a seat wherever you'd like. I'm going to sit over here. And now we can begin. At NY CoStar, what we do is provide a safe and confidential environment for you to come in, either yourself or with your partner, and talk about some major issues in your life that have to do with sex and/or love addiction. So who we see are individuals, couples, and we also provide group therapy and have a separate program for partners of sex addicts. What's important for a partner of a sex addict is for her or him to be heard in a safe environment where she or he can work through the trauma that occurs being married to somebody with sexual compulsive behaviors. By the way, earlier I told you my name. We were New York Center of Sexual Treatment and Recovery. What does recovery mean? Recovery means getting back to your authentic self. So when somebody's in recovery, that means that they're stopping all those behaviors that have caused harm to themselves in their relationship, and they're recovering their authentic self, their healthy self. A key component for the sex addict's recovery is for that person to learn empathy towards his partner and to have a realization of how deeply affected his partner or her partner is with the sexual acting out behaviors, and what a rift and a trauma that it did to the coupleship. For the partner to be seen and heard by the sex addict is a key component to the partner's recovery work. What we do offer are, besides the individual and couples therapy, is intensive outpatient programs. Now these are called IOPs, and they're for 3 different groups: for the sex addict, for the partner, and for the couple. And what's so great about these for the consumer is that these are short-term, high-value, and low-cost programs. These are built for busy, time-limited schedules, and what they offer is a concentrated number of hours and days, not many, between 2 and 5, so that the person or the couple can get in and get a lot of questions answered and be able to process what's going on in their very chaotic lives. For the partner, this is a great program because it's a surefire relief from the incredible pain and the doubts and the feelings and thoughts that occur on a daily basis since discovery of being partnered to a sex addict. For the couples intensive outpatient, this is a safe platform for those two to discuss what their wants and needs are, for them to have some kind of a recovery roadmap of what it's going to look like, what needs to be done, for boundaries to be laid out. In this very difficult time, this is a process that they can begin together. We are a pro-marriage and a pro-couple group. It's important that this healing from betrayal takes place, because if it doesn't, it's much, much harder for a couple to stay together. So this creates an alliance built on trust, and there's a specific roadmap for the couple to look at and to expect as their recovery goes forth. The training to be a certified sex addiction therapist is rigorous and requires every year a certain amount of CEUs to keep up the certification. Every February I go to a symposium in Arizona that's put on by the International Institute of Trauma and Addiction Professionals, where Drs. Patrick and Stephanie Carnes present the latest findings regarding sex and love addictions and partners' recovery work as well. I've been working in this field for 15 years, and I know that if you have the right kind of help, that you will be able to have a partnership of healthy sexuality and romance and happiness. Thank you for stopping by, and to answer any of your questions, please contact me directly.